Hey, so I want to show you how Broca can be used to generate content for your website, for a landing page, for any kind of campaign. In this case, we're going to have a look at Basecamp. Basecamp recently updated this page to reflect how people are working remotely during COVID. And we felt that maybe this was a bit too wordy over here. And there was not enough around, again, too wordy here. There's not enough around benefits of using Basecamp. There's a lot of great social proof, though, which is awesome. There's a ton of reviews over here. But there could be a bit more about what exactly do people use Basecamp for? What are the benefits? So we thought we'd rewrite that using Broca. So here's what we do. When we enter Broca, we are asked to give a brief of a new campaign. The campaign could be anything, in this case, a rebrand. So we're promoting the brand. I'm just going to give it a brief description of Basecamp and target the keywords project management. And then we're going to generate some content for various channels. But the first thing we're going to do is generate our core messaging. The core messaging is basically, it forms the kernel of our entire campaign. This core messaging can then be used to generate content for landing pages. And we will also see how it's used for generating social media content. So we've generated it using AI. And here we've got the calm, organized way to manage project, work with clients, and communicate company-wide. Pretty cool. Basecamp is a project management web app, helps people organize their projects, a place for everything, discussion stats and files, find things fast. So this is really great content off the bat, and within seconds we've generated core value proposition and key benefits that could go on the website, either replacing this bit over here, so removing the wordy pieces here and coming up with something that's a lot more readable and a lot more easy to digest. And then adding some maybe key benefits over here. So instead of having, again, a wall of text over here, we can use the key benefits here. So it's place for everything, discussion task files, find things fast, and these are sort of like the key benefits. Now, if we were by Basecamp, we may want to edit some of the stuff, just tweak it up a bit, make sure it's actually accurate according to what Basecamp does and follows our brand guidelines. But the next thing we'd want to do is, if we're satisfied with this, click on next. And now we're going to generate some content for our social media. So this could be Google ad copy, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, whether it's an organic post or a ad or a paid post. All right, there we go. So we've got headlines, manage projects, project management, inspire project organization. I like that one. We've got some descriptions. So we split up the headers and descriptions because this is what Google asks us to do nowadays, is they're going into the RSA world. So a lot of good descriptions here. We can just like copy all of these and put this into our ads. We also have some Facebook posts here. So Basecamp is a project management app. Basecamp brings everything into one central place. No more emails, no more half-page documents, no more missing information. I mean, this is great stuff. Let's look at some Instagram copy. How do we use Basecamp? So this is like shorter form content for Instagram. This is slightly longer form, but continuing with getting organized work, making use of your time. Twitter, all of this content is according to the guidelines, the character limitations. So got some really good stuff here again. New projects start all the time. And then finally, we have LinkedIn content as well. Meet your new project hub. Basecamp is a project management web app. And so in less than 3 minutes, we have generated an entire new rebrand for Basecamp. We've got some new content for their website that's more digestible and clearer. And we've actually got content for them to promote it on social media, on ads, and in other spaces. If you want to try out Broca for yourself, comment in this LinkedIn post below, or go to www.usebroca.com and you'll be able to get access to this. We do have early access running right now at the time of this post, which means free content for a week, unlimited content, and then after that you'll get early access pricing as well. All right, sign up today and start creating content for your marketing campaigns.